This is a review of the 6-foot and 5-foot metal arch frames. I use them for flowers as well as balloons. For flowers, they are very heavy on the front, and these stands have not tipped at all. I put weights on the bottom just to be safe, but they still don't tip. They were very easy to put together. They just came in 3 separate pieces like this, and they come with the screws in here. And one time, even once I had the flowers all together on the stands, it was too large for the backdrop that I had, and I was able to unscrew these and remove the top piece, and I just used the bottom part, so it was a bit shorter. And just now I will show you how it looks with balloons on it and with flowers on it.